Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the old pad now. Don't delay. Power the headset off, and once idle, use thumbs to pry the outer rim away. Slow, even pressure prevents tearing. As you peel, observe how the pad mates to the plastic lip and where any foam or fabric liner sits, because you will reuse or replace those parts. Make sure to set the pad and any small pieces aside in order. This preserves orientation and helps you install the new pad correctly later. Once done with removal, fit the new pad to the cup to test alignment. The fit must match the original seam and notch so sound stays balanced. If the replacement has excess fabric or a loose foam liner, trim a little only one try so the driver isn't pressed. Then start at the top, tuck the rim into the lip, and press around the circumference in short, firm strokes to seat it. Make sure wires and any microphone openings stay clear and unpinched. You finish by testing audio immediately. Play familiar music at low volume and listen for changes. Muffling suggests a seal issue, rattles mean loose foam. If sound shifts, remove and reseat the pad, pressing the rim evenly while checking the foam liner sits flush. Once satisfied, wearing comfort and bass response should match the original. If problems persist, swap in the spare foam liner or inspect driver.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.